How to refresh a PNR status in the Where is my train application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and simple tutorial, I will be guiding you through the steps of how you can refresh the status of a PNR number in Where is my train application. So this particular technique is helpful especially if your ticket is not confirmed or is currently in an REC or let's say in a waiting list. So in this it is important to check or regularly check the status of the ticket periodically. So let me show you how you can do that in Where is my train application. So once you have installed your Where is my train application, simply open it and link your particular PNR number within the application. To link the particular PNR, go to this PNR button at the bottom left of the home screen and enter your PNR number here. You will be redirected to a page, and by filling out the captcha, your PNR number will be successfully linked and appear like this. Now let's say after some days or some time you want to refresh its status. So what you can do is simply click onto this first refresh button over the right hand side of this PNR. So once you will click onto this refresh button, you will be again landed into the same page, that is the Indian Railways passenger reservation inquiry page, and your PNR number will be automatically typed in for you. So simply click onto the submit button and again solve the captcha. And once you will solve the captcha, you need to click onto the submit button and your PNR status will be fetched again, and this time it will be refreshed. So simply go back and now you will see a refreshed version of your PNR and the details as well. So that's how easily you can refresh the status of your PNR in the Where is my train application. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.